Hello, good morning, and we are continuing from where we stopped last time on PowerPoint. So, in this class, we will learn how to put images, how to align them, how to put themes, transitions, and animations, and that will be enough for our uh, PowerPoint crash course in this training program. So let me just light some words here. Uh, Introduction to PowerPoint. And as we already said, that make sure you put your name so that people can reference uh, your name to the content that you have written. Now, let me just fix this PowerPoint right here. So maybe I want to add an image to my PowerPoint. As we stated last session, we said that you can actually use the insert tab and go to images that are online, or you can make a screenshot of your image, or you can create a photo album of the images. So if I say I want to create, I want to take an online picture, I'll actually go online, and if you are connected to the internet, the search engine for Microsoft code Bing is going to pop up, and you can actually create a an you can actually search for an image. So these images, they are in the Creative Commons program, meaning to say that these images are free to use. So in this case, I can just select maybe this flower, and once I've done that, it will load, and you can see that the image is very big. And in that case, I will just reduce the image by placing this corner. I'll select it and shrink it down, so you can see it's still keeping the aspect ratio. And I can reduce the image just like this. But if you can notice something here, that if I click the image, there is a new tab that pops out, which is the picture format tab. In this case, I can actually choose from the picture styles different formats of my image. So depending on my liking, I can select the flames and whatnot. So it depends on your liking. You can select these ones, or you can create different picture borders on the styles, or the picture effects. So these picture effects, they can be 3Ds, reflections, or bevels, according to your liking. So there are some other tools that you can use in order to decorate your picture. The first one is collection. So in collection is the same as you are filtering the image of your picture. So you can actually put increase the brightness, and actually reduce the brightness and whatnot. The other one is color. So you can change the color of your picture or image. You can put some fancy colors like orange or other accent colors. Or you can be more artistic and apply some other effects that can decorate your picture. So you can put this one as grow, but in a professional PowerPoint, you don't need to put those effects right here. And we also do have this feature called compress pictures. So if you click compress, what it's trying to say is some other times you can have big sized PowerPoints, like maybe 70 something pages, and you have placed in uh, high format pictures, high definition pictures, but you want to compress that PowerPoint in order to send it or through an email. So you can actually apply to only compression to this picture, so this current picture, and you can delete the cropped areas of your image because you want to reduce the image, and use default volume. So you can check here resolution depending on the use case of your PowerPoint. So speaking of cropping the picture, if I click the image here, go to size over here, you can see there's a crop function. If we click that crop function, we are given the feature to crop our image. So you can just reduce the aspect of our image just like this. Click any point outside the image and you have cropped that image. Now, if you see this picture right here, you can see it's not matching our color, our background color of our PowerPoint. In order to remove the background of the image, there is a tool called remove background from PowerPoint. But anyway, keep in mind, this is not a professional way of removing backgrounds in comparison with Adobe Photoshop. So if you want to go professional way of removing background, go to Adobe Photoshop. But in simple ways, make sure that you use the remove background tool in PowerPoint. And it's good that you upscale your image so that you can see properly. So if we click remove background here, you can see that our PowerPoint has turned purple on areas where it wants to remove, but we just want to remove our background. So you can mark areas to keep. So let us click that and make sure you just draw a line here, another line here, another line here. We want to keep these flowers behind, so we can just draw a line there, another line here. Just keep drawing lines in areas that you want to keep. Once you are satisfied, just click keep changes, and voila, our background is removed and you can proceed with the image. Since because most images that don't have backgrounds, they are preferred than images that do have backgrounds. So make sure you do remove the backgrounds in your PowerPoint. And let us create a new slide. So you can create a new slide by clicking right and to the right side here and place new slide. And let's say we want to decorate this page that we have, and we want to put maybe an image. So let us remove the text boxes, and we want to put an image that covers the background. So let's search for another image for a flower, or maybe we want to search maybe computers. We are setting computers. So maybe we are a cloud computing company. So we want to upscale this image right here. And you want to put text over the picture. What you need to do, you can also see that the picture is not aligned with our workspace. We can fix this by go to picture format, go to crop. Make sure that you can crop the image according to the workspace that you have in PowerPoint. So if we go here, you can see that there's a red line showing that that is the workspace. And let's click again. So we are in the workspace and we are done working like there. Now, if we want to add a text, we just need to place our text box. So we need to insert our text box right here and draw the text box on our screen and write cloud computing theme. So you can see your text is small and it's in color black. You can change the size of the text by increasing the font size. And let's also change the color of the text. Let's go to white and make it bold. But however, this does not look professional. The reason behind is there is still some transparency to our text. So in order to remove the transparency, go to drawing and create a shape. Draw the shape right here. But however, you can see that the shape has covered the text. In order to put it behind the text, go to arrange section. So first of all, click the text, the shape, go to arrange and click on send backwards. In so doing, you have sent the shape behind the text. And also the blue color doesn't seem right. We can change the color of the shape by shape fill and go to black color. Or else if you want to do some color matching, you can click the eyedropper, select the color of one of the highlight colors of your image behind and click that one, and you can see that we have a good color matching from our background picture behind, and that is actually good, and it's actually looking presentable right now for our PowerPoint. So, however, maybe you want to change the background color of your image, so of your PowerPoint. So in this case, what we need to do is to change the theme of your PowerPoint, the design of your PowerPoint. So we go to the design tab, and inside the design tab, you can see that we do have different themes that present to us. We can check any theme. You can actually just press a slider and you see that there are different themes that you can play around. If we go maybe if we go to this theme and click here, you can appreciate that the first page, it applies to everything, every text. It changes every text, every slide by just applying a different theme. So there are different variants of the theme, or you can visit and check different themes that are available on your page. So make sure that you choose a theme that is good and perfect for your liking. Let us go to the initial theme. Now, you maybe want to change the background of the image. So make sure you go to the design and go to format background. In this case, you can actually choose your background to be a solid fill or a gradient fill or a picture. You can insert a picture maybe from online or whatnot. So let us just change maybe a car. We want to change our background image as a car. So let us search for a very good looking car, right? Let us select this Porsche. And that's it. We do have a background color applied it to all the images. So you can see the first page, we do have a background color, and every page that we do have has got also a background color. So let us just reset the image or put it as solid color and apply to all in order to return back to our page. And let's put text here like the end, because next thing we want to learn how to animate and transition our pages. So the first thing that I want to show you before we go there is to change the slide sizes. So you can see these slide sizes are 16 by 9. We can change to standard 4 by 3, which is mostly used in classroom orientation. You can change it and you can make sure that it's maximum fit or ensure fit. So we can put ensure fit, and you can see that it has changed the orientation of our sizes. And we can go back to 16 by 9 to preserve our slides. This, you can see that there are some other problems that you can face, that the orientation cannot go back to normal. So let us just click Control Z to reflect back to our previous position. Now, the first thing I want to show you is transitioning. So in transitioning, it's where you can actually put some animation when you are going from one page to another. So there are different transitions here that they are very important, but don't go too crazy on the transition. Make sure that you do have nice transition for professional use. So for example, if we place the vortex here, so the vortex is a nice transition. It can look good, but however, it is not that professional, because in a normal setting, you can't wait for this long in order to show next contact. The second one you can see is the honeycomb. It's nice for maybe casual presentations, but it's not good for professional presentation. But the best one, which is commonly used, is fade. So fade is commonly used, and if you click fade, you can go to the right side here, the timing, and press apply to all. You apply to all transition, and you can see that by looking at the stars that appear at the left side of your PowerPoint. In order to view the PowerPoint, what you need to do is to click the slideshow button, and you'll be taken to the PowerPoint, and you can start viewing the PowerPoint as you go along. And that's it. And let's say we want to apply transitions. So transitions apply to elements in your slide. So if you click the first slide, and we're going to go to animations and highlight the text that you want, or you can click the text box and hover around the animations feature. So you can see that we do have interest. So interest animations are applied as you slide into go to a new slide. Emphasis are applied in order to show that you're emphasizing on a text, and exit are applied in order to show to exit out of your PowerPoint. The motion loops, these ones are very interesting. You can create a certain motion graphic on your presentation, or moving something else and whatnot. So let us actually create the interest one. If you click here, you can see that there is a motion or animation to our text, and we can actually create have this one, maybe apply animations. You can also apply animations to the text, the images that you have. So if you go here and create slideshow, you can see that there is if you click the right arrow, you can see that there is animation going right after the other, and once you are done, you are good to go. So basically, this is how you can create animations and transitions in your PowerPoint. So anyway, this is all I had for you. So this is a basic knowledge on how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. And later on, if we are going into professional part of this course, we'll learn massive ways how we can create PowerPoint presentations that are very, very pleasing. And remember, this is a graphic software, so you can create cool graphics. It's about pleasing the audience. Make sure you are making simple presentations, and make sure that they are appealing to your audience. Anyway, thank you very much. Next time we are going to learn Excel, Microsoft Excel. Make sure you catch up to that lesson. So thank you and have a nice day.